Hello, in front of me I've got RAM 1500. In this video I'll show you how to adjust profile settings. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and next go to Vehicle and Settings. Enter my profile and here you can adjust profile, language, display mode, brightness, theme, units, theme mode, you can enable or disable touchscreen beep, show main category labels, fuel saver, display in cluster, navigation turn-by-turn displayed in cluster, phone pop-ups displayed in cluster. You can change time format, change voice options, enable or disable wake up word, enable voice bargain that allows user to respond to voice response before the statement is complete. You can check command list, enable or disable key off power delay, app drawer, favoriting pop-ups, app drawer unfavoriting pop-ups, new text message pop-ups, missed call message, navigation pop-ups. You can go to navigation settings, manage auto comfort on, audio settings. You can reset app drawer to default order, reset settings to default, and in more profile options you can adjust your profile name, edit avatar, you can save memory seat, enable welcome pop-up, you can delete profile on and check what is linked to your profile. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.